Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. My name Mr. Hardish Kumar. Today we will discuss about the magnetic flux. Subject electromagnetic field. Lecture number 13. Topic magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. The magnetic field passing through a loop is also affected by the tipping of the loop. The axis of the loop is a line through the center of the loop that is perpendicular to the plane of the loop. The effective area of the loop is reduces when the loop is tipped. The effective area is defined as EFF equal to AB cos theta equal to A cos theta. Magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is defined as total flux upon surface area. The magnetic field intensity. This is the magnetic flux and magnetic field intensity H vector. Depend on the moving charge. It does not depend on the medium. The force associated with H, magnetic field intensity, is called as the magnetic flux density. It is denoted by B vector. B vector is defined for the magnetic flux and H vector is the magnetic field intensity. The magnetic flux defined as a flux passing per unit area, means phi upon area. The surface area है तो S through a plane at right angle to the flux theta. The unit of magnetic flux density is Weber per meter square. Thus the phi, the total flux passing through an area of S meter square. Then magnetic flux density equal to total flux upon surface area. B vector equal to phi upon S Weber प्रति मीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू टेस्ला. Magnetic flux over a closed surface. Consider a closed surface S. Suppose then the flux through a element of area. This is the element of area, loop seen from the side. This is the but magnetic flux, this is the B, it passes through is the axis parallel to field theta equal to 0 and small b is the distance. So closed surface, suppose करिए this is the closed surface, then the flux through an element of area in difference area, this is the ds, okay, is given by the dot product of B with ds. The total magnetic flux passing through the surface is given by phi equal to closed surface integral S B vector dot ds. This is the phi. Phi is the magnetic flux Weber. B is the magnetic flux density Weber per meter square or Tesla. ds is the vector whose direction is normal to the surface element ds. But over the closed surface, integral given this equation is 0. Suppose this is the become the magnetic flux closed surface of 0. That means the number of line, this number of line enter into the surface are equal to the number of line leaving the surface. Thus, the closed surface B vector dot ds equal to 0. Here closed surface, this is the closed surface integral. Integral over a closed surface is defined of the Gauss's law. Integral form. Now similar to the electrical field, the divergence of B is equal to del dot B. Okay, equal to कितना हो जाएगा? Equal to 0. So del dot B, this is the divergence cases. This is the integral case, closed surface integral causes. Okay, the magnetic flux density B, this is the B, magnetic flux density B vector equal to कितना होता है? Mu H vector होता है. Okay, the magnetic flux density B is related to the magnetic field intensity. तो mu क्या है यहाँ पर? Mu permittivity of medium. तो mu equal to कितना होता है? Mu r और mu 0. Okay, तो mu 0 is the permittivity of free space और mu I is the relative permittivity. तो mu 0 कितनी वैल्यू होती है? mu 0 equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter HM. Thus, if the medium in is free space, B and H are rated H, तो B and H, तो B magnetic field and H magnetic field intensity, तो B vector equal to कितना हो जाएगा? mu 0 H हो जाएगा. So, again, axial trip by theta. This is the line, this is the theta, different line magnetic flux. In between B cos theta is the axial of loop. This is the theta equal to 0 and axial trip by theta. Again, magnetic flux, loop seen looking toward the magnetic field. In axial parallel to field, theta equal to 0, B and A. And B cos theta and A. This is the axial trip by theta. In case, consider this is the magnetic field along the Z axis. Suppose this is the 3 axis, this is Z axis, this is the Y and this is the X axis. So Z axis such as a cable consists of in conductor, namely inner space and the outer space. So the current is uniformly distributed in the outer. So generally, in which case, which is used for the product of magnetic field in the inner space and outer space. In between B cos theta, axial trip by theta, theta equal to 0. Magnetic flux. If we consider the front end view of a fan blowing air through a loop, we can see that the tripping causes a reduction in air flow. Here the dot represents the front of arrow indicating the direction of the air flow. Front view of the air through the loop. So generally, in case calculate of the consider in circular path, suppose in circular different magnetic flux. तो air through the loop, air through the loop. Here the dot represent the front of arrow. This dot is represent of the front of arrow. Indicate the direction of the air flow. Air flow. This is the outer area. So we can see that the tripping causes a reduction in air flow. So front view of their air through the loop. The front view of the air through the loop. This is the loop. Again, magnetic flux. The effective flux depend on the strength of the field and the effective area of the loop. So phi equal to E, AE, effective B, AB cos theta. Magnetic flux through area A at angle theta to field B. The SI unit of magnetic flux is the Weber. 1 Weber equal to 1 T dot meter square. This is the magnetic flux in case of the circular path. So magnetic flux in circular path in between loop of area A and B. This is the B, this is the magnetic flux, and theta is the angle between the magnetic field B and the axial of the loop, and the magnetic flux through the loop is phi equal to कितना हो जाएगा AB cos theta. Now consider a circular path of radius, this is the radius R, as shown in figure. The radius R is then the radius of inner conductor and less than the inner radius of outer conductors. This is the basically circular, and this. So this is the A and this is the B. This is the A and this is the B. In between of radius R. This is the radius R. So circular path of radius R, outer conductor having inner radius B and inner conductor of radius A. This is the A. So the component of magnetic field intensity in this case is given by HF, phi angle HF equal to कितना हो जाएगा 1/2 pi r ARB. A ranges to B. So now we have B equal to कितना होता है μ0 H for free space case. Okay. So HF कितना हो जाएगा इसका सर्कुलर पाथ का H phi equal to 1/2 pi r AR and B. ओके तो बी नाउ वी हैव बी इक्वल टू कितना होता है बी इक्वल टू होता है μ0 H फॉर फ्री स्पेस के बी इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा H की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे यहां पर H फाई है तो बी इक्वल टू हो जाएगा μ0 I और 2 pi r ए टू बी तो कितना हो जाएगा एंगल ऑफ फाई के रेस्पेक्ट तो ए फाई. ओके कंसीडर लेंथ डिस्टेंस इन डी ऑफ दिस केबल ऑफ द जेड इक्वल टू 0 केस to Z equal to D case. Then the magnetic flux containing this length is the flux क्रॉसिंग द रेडियल प्लेन फ्रॉम आर इक्वल टू कितना है, आर इक्वल टू ए, रेडियल प्लेन आर इक्वल टू ए टू आर इक्वल टू बी, एंड फ्रॉम जेड इक्वल टू 0 टू जेड इक्वल टू डी, ठीक है, जेड इक्वल टू 0 टू जेड इक्वल टू डी। सो फाई एंगल, फाई की बात करते हैं यहाँ पे क्रॉस, तो फाई इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल ऑफ एस बी वेक्टर डॉट डी एस। अब इंटीग्रल है तो फाई इसकी लिमिट कितनी थी, 0 से d और a से b, तो z इक्वल टू फाई इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा, z इक्वल टू 0 से लेके कितना इंटीग्रल हो जाएगा d तक, एक दूसरा कितना a स्पेस से b, तो r इक्वल टू a से लेके b तक, b वेक्टर डॉट ds। सो इन दिस केस ds इक्वल टू ds कितना हो जाएगा इसमें z डायरेक्शन में, तो dr dz a फाई हो जाएगा, dr dz और a फाई। वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे इसके रिस्पेक्ट में, तो कितना हो जाएगा 0 से d, a से b, b की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे म्यू 0 i अपॉन 2 पाई r dr dz। तो टोटल जो वैल्यू आएगी फेस एंगल, जो हमारा टोटल फ्लक्स आएगा कहाँ था, 0 से लेके d तक हो गया हमारा एक, और a से लेके b तक हो गया, ठीक है। b की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे कितनी है, म्यू 0 i अपॉन 2 पाई r a फाई डॉट कितना हो जाएगा dr dz और a फाई, ओके। a फाई यूनिट वेक्टर डॉट प्रोडक्ट में 1 हो गया, तो टोटल फाइनल वैल्यू कितनी हुई, फाई इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन 0 से d 0 a से b म्यू 0 i और 2 पाई r dr dz, dr और dz। दिस इज द फ्लक्स इन केस ऑफ loop of area A। Thank you watching this video.